Hello ma'am, I am Rubica Willie Jr. from BSIT 1A. This day I'll present to you what is happiness. Happiness is an expression or feelings of one person. Like example, there is have something good happened in his or her life, like that. And happiness is a complex and subjective emotional state characterized by feelings of joy, contentment, and overall well-being. It can vary from person to person and is influenced by a multitude of factors. Happiness often involves experiencing positive emotions such as joy, love, gratitude, and satisfaction. It can also be related to an individual overall satisfaction with their life, including their relationship, work, and personal goals. And also, meeting basic needs such as food, shelter, safety, and social connection contributes to happiness. Working towards and achieving meaningful goals and aspiration can bring a sense of purpose and happiness. Healthy and supportive relationships with family and loved ones are strongly correlated with happiness. It's important to note that happiness is a subjective and evolving concept, and what brings happiness to one person may not be the same for another. Additionally, it can vary in intensity and duration. People often seek happiness as a fundamental goal in life, but achieving and maintaining it can be a lifelong journey influenced by personal values, circumstances, and choices. And that's the happiness for me, ma'am. And have a nice day po.